Welcome to BTC News Hub, your daily update on the crypto market. Bitcoin is currently fighting to hold the $70,000 level, and the entire market is watching closely. In today's video, we're going to break down what is happening in the crypto market right now. A deep technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano. And finally, the most important crypto news driving the market today. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to BTC News Hub, like this video, and drop a comment below, telling us where you think Bitcoin is heading next. Now, let's start with what's happening in the crypto market. Right now, the crypto market is entering a very important phase of consolidation. Bitcoin recently pushed toward $74,000, but the market rejected that level and has now pulled back toward the $70,000 support zone. This level is extremely important. Not only is it a major psychological level, but it is also a large liquidity zone where traders often place stop losses and limit orders. When price moves around these areas, the market often becomes volatile because buyers and sellers are fighting for control. At the moment, short-term traders are taking profits after the recent rally, while long-term investors continue accumulating during dips. This creates the sideways movement we are currently seeing. Now let's dive deeper into the technical analysis, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently trading around $69,900, testing one of the most important support zones in the market. The 69K270K area previously acted as a breakout level, and now price is retesting it from above. On the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin is forming a descending channel after rejecting the $74,000 resistance zone. The interesting part is that this pullback is happening with declining volume, which often indicates a correction rather than a full trend reversal. Looking at momentum indicators, the RSI on the 4-hour chart has cooled down significantly after being overbought. This means the market has reset momentum and could prepare for another move. Now, let's talk about liquidity levels. Below the current price, we have strong liquidity around $69,000. If the market loses that level, we could quickly move toward the next major support around $67,000 and possibly even $65,000. However, there is also a lot of liquidity sitting above the market. Resistance levels are located around 71.8 thousand, then 73.5 thousand, and finally, the key resistance near $74,000. If buyers defend the current support and push price back above $72,000, Bitcoin could attempt another breakout towards $74,000. Breaking above that level could trigger a short squeeze, potentially pushing the market towards $78,000 or higher. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this analysis, make sure to like the video, subscribe to BTC News Hub, and leave a comment below. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you daily crypto market updates. Now let's continue with Ethereum. Ethereum is currently trading around the $2,000 psychological level, which is one of the most important zones for the asset. On the 4-hour time frame, Ethereum is trading inside a consolidation range. Support levels are around $1,950 and $1,900, while resistance is located near $2,100 and $2,200. The RSI is currently neutral, suggesting the market still has room to expand. On the daily time frame, Ethereum appears to be forming a bull flag pattern, which is a continuation pattern that often leads to another move higher. If Ethereum breaks above $2,150, the next targets could be around $2,400 to $2,500. Solana has been one of the strongest performers in the crypto market. After a strong rally, the price is now consolidating and forming what looks like a symmetrical triangle pattern. Support levels are located around $84 and $80, while resistance sits near $92 and the key psychological level at $100. Momentum indicators remain bullish. If Solana breaks above $92, we could quickly see a move toward $100. XRP is currently trading inside a range-bound structure. Support is located around $1.27, while resistance is around $1.45, with stronger resistance near $1.51. Volatility is decreasing, which often happens before a breakout. If XRP breaks above 1.51, the next potential target could be around 1.70. Cardano is currently trading inside a large accumulation range. Support is around 27 cents, while resistance is near 31 cents. Volume has been gradually increasing, which can sometimes signal that a breakout is approaching. If Cardano breaks above 31 cents, the next targets could be around 38 to 40 cents. Now let's talk about the most important crypto news affecting the market today. One major factor creating volatility is the massive expiration of crypto derivatives contracts. Billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options are expiring today. When these large expirations occur, market makers often push the price toward levels where the largest number of options expire, worthless. Interestingly, that level is very close to the $69,000 zone, which is exactly where Bitcoin is trading right now. This helps explain why the market has been hovering around this level. At the same time, institutional demand for Bitcoin remains strong, suggesting that long-term investors are still accumulating. Right now, the most important level in the crypto market is $69,000 for Bitcoin. If this level holds, the market could rebound towards $72,000 and potentially $74,000. If it breaks, we could see a deeper correction towards $67,000. For altcoins, Ethereum needs to hold $2,000. Solana could break out above $92. XRP is watching 1.51 resistance, and Cardano needs to break 31 cents. The next few days could determine the next major move in the crypto market. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure to subscribe to BTC News Hub for daily crypto updates. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below telling us your Bitcoin prediction. Thanks for watching BTC News Hub, and we'll see you in the next update.